They were looking for a replacement. Guess who they selected? This other guy. This guy who was volunteering.
Volume areas are coming across, so it's very important to do the replacement wall, and I think they're actually quite smart at doing that. Then he's got all this new wall. I mean, in Trump's...
I'm okay with that. The Lord will be my judge, but good night. My replacement, Jason, is so much better than me in so many.
You can be here in this country. So waiting for 6 months while the government processes the replacement is not cool. I'm excited to tell you that today...
Talk about saving money, so a financial aspect. And for men, the patches, the nicotine replacement was very central.
Is it any surprise that that $40,000 hip replacement replacing the 10-cent aspirin is more?
And it's actually very big news for the field of enzyme replacement therapy more generally, because there are other targets out there where this would be a good approach.